Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a house tour and we're gonna make food next, okay? That is a fan. This is my papa's desk and that is our cat. And even more, and Papa. Please, Papa.
Hello.
Wala man ako nakuhaan capture kay napalong na ako. Sorry guys, Pilipino po ako. Pilipino manggod ko guys. Okay guys, napot ng minute. Ow. Fire. Okay guys, this is the room of Ate. Say hi to my vlog. Vlog. Okay. Ano, room ni Ate, may solar, mayor, ayun, mga lain. Okay guys, hindi na to sa room sa kong mami. Wala man dali silang mami kay dito sila sa ilang balay. Okay, this is their room. Super pretty, and I remember this one. I like it. Okay. By the way, the switch is there. Let's go to my room. This is my room, or you will call it the junkyard, or because there's so many things in here. This is my bag, by the way, and this is my kuya damit. Or you will say my brother's damit. Okay. Let's go to my room. By the way, I have a phone. I'm using my tablet right now. Good night, light. Woo. Done filming that. And this is our favorite shot, Babylon. This is the outside. It's raining. And this is our living room. We have a couch, TV. We don't use our TV eternally because there will be no lights. And this is our kitchen. This is our dining room. I'll show you outside. By the way, this is our pantry. And this is our fridge. Super yummy. Do you guys like sugar? By the way, I do not know who is the snacks. Oh, money. And this is where we cook. Because I want to cook here today, guys. And I like this guy. This is our first. Oh no! Wait, guys. How do I turn the light on? Cannot see, but God, where is the? Okay. See, it's so bright. Okay, I'll just look from afar. Right? And I see it, but it's a cat called Ginger. But hello. So let's go back to my house. Because I want to show you the last thing. This. This is our trophy reward or sinulog reward. And this is our badge. And that is our good girl. This is my mama. Mama is working.
Yeah.
By the way, like and subscribe.